Stop building Excel dashboards manually. This is our sample dataset. I've created a dataset with columns like day, region, sales, profit, and orders. This is the kind of data you typically have in real-world scenarios like PMO reports, financial tracking, or sales dashboards. The key idea here is that AI works best when your data is clean and structured properly. Just open Claude in Excel and type as build a clean, executive-level, interactive sales dashboard using the provided dataset. Include KPI cards, trend charts over time, and region-wise performance breakdown. Add concise executive insights highlighting patterns, anomalies, and actionable recommendations. And press enter. You can select the AI model from here basis your requirement. Provide permissions whenever asked for. Within seconds, AI gives you a beautiful entire dashboard like this, which can be readily used and published to all concerned stakeholders. You can use this for PMO reports, KPI tracking, sales dashboards, or project status updates. This saves hours of work every week. Here's a pro tip. Don't just ask for a dashboard. Ask Claude to optimize it for executive presentation. This way, it will suggest cleaner layouts, better charts, and more impactful KPIs. You can also ask it to generate insights from your data, which is extremely powerful for CXO-level reporting. If you start using AI like this, you can easily save 5 to 10 hours every week in Excel. And the best part is, you don't need to be an expert anymore. If you found this useful, follow dptutorials for more AI and Excel hacks, and check out the next video where I'll show you how AI can fix any Excel formula instantly.